Enugwu-Ukwu community, situated on a hill, as at 2009 has a population of about 448,000 people and is known for so many positive things, including Igwaro, which is a yearly event. A reason why it is not surprising that communal living exists among them. Talking about Abatulu Kindred, in Adabwa village, Enugwu-Ukwu, where NEWSPLUS discovered a place called Obamme. Well, as expected, one may assume it to be a bloody place, judging by its name, but no, the place is rather Obaku. Little wonder it is called Akwuoha. The journey to Obamme, as usual, is a rigorous one. That is why the women of Abatulu village are not bothered about the stress because there is light at the end of the tunnel. What is Akwuoha or Obamme all about?
Married into this kindred over 18 years ago. My late dear mother-in-law, Afomak Mbachi, used to be here. In fact, history had it, according to the story I heard. She had one of her child here while doing the farming process. You can look at these young children. My husband used to be like them many years back because he used to follow the mother to the farm. The main thing this Akwuoha have achieved among the women is peace and unity. You can see how we sit and crack jokes, we quarrel, we settle. But we do it like play and play. It's not like something you go home with or you take it to your heart. We just say it and we drop it. It makes us to come together.
Their husbands treat them well indeed. As you can see, they have some food to rest with when they get tired. This is how happy they can be. The women provide jobs for some people, especially the palm harvesters.
I am over 2005. We call all over, so we call over in Mana Colonia. No Catazia by Bumaco 2006. Wegabagawa. I went in your Moyaka, even a 100 in win. I was going to back wherever the end. When a Budiaco on Aga. I know it to another as well. I go as my friend Kaiji and Wemoto. I was a Kaisi Nakon Kai and when I good when I put a gun. I put Marco many years. I don't know Buzi and not talk about it. Can you quantify I ran a river without it, man. Oh, you are Irachamman. I was a guy when we can make it here. No, young when
my Mbembido Buaku na 2007. I no ever go primary school. So, go to primary school when I ogolo I make out come Babulu go school fees maybe. Na. So we go to secondary school. Batazia fully. So when they bunya bapo. Ne kwa ka mama e bute go eje ba high institution. No nwele no nye ya azun. So I na-egbukwe di akwa na-agakwa o na-enyere ụmụ nwaanyị aka jikwolu ego va na-akwụ anyị na-eli ibe na-alacha mmanụ amada ya la akwụ na ya ụlọ isi.
Let's hear the experiences of the women.
Mgbe ha nọta m nne di m onye mụta di m ha na-abịa egbu akwa anọtakwazịa m mbatakwa solo ha na-abịa na-egbu nyawa akwụ mụtakwa ụmụaka m anwa sokwelu na-abịa na-egbu nyawa akwụ mana oge ahụ ha nọ etu anyị si dọrọ kịta ka anyị si adọ oge ahụ anyị bịa gbuchie nyawa akwụ nya anyị kpọọ ndị enu ha bịa anyị gbuchie nyawa akwụ anyị ekebi ya o nwere onye ya na ibie na-ese okwu igwu na amụ ibi na mgbe anwa anyị na-agba egwu were arara akwụ onye akpọrọ afa ọ pụta ọgba egwu ọgbacha maka na oye di anyị nyere anyị.
By the time I came to this place, my mother-in-law, late Mrs. Nwanke Mbachi, Okeke Mbachi, she introduced me to this area. I had 3 portions of land, this area, where I cultivate cassava, yams, oka, okra, and so on and so forth. This place is very, 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 very fertile. Biko na anyị chọrọ ka ebe a emere anyị hand over ka anyị ghara ịrapụ ya. Ana egbogoro egbogo egbadara agbada. Ana bụ ana aba atụrụ ọgbọ mme ihe anyị bịa kịta bụ Akwuoha ndị aba atụrụ ụmụ nwaanyị ụmụ nwoke anyị si gabanụ nọ ihe nketa nke nna dị unu were ya anyị ekwekwana ka asị.
Since the exercise is over 100 years old, let's hear from them how it was in the good old days.
But the women are the force, the power we have. Minus the women would have loved that place to intrude us. So it is, we took the women, they introduced them to those places, and they are very active. We are proud of them.
Olubo. And Olubo anwaka ayi wezo ụmụaka. Eji nye ụmụaka niile ebe anwa ka anyị na-eje na-ebute akwụ na-asụ akwụ na-eme ihe niile na-akọ akpụ na-akọ ji anyị wee na-eriju ahụ anwa wee fụta anyị wee na-achọkwa enyemaka.
What it means is that as long as there is life, women of Abatulo village will continue with their Obomme exploits. Maka na ya bụ ije bụ nwa nwa toto okudo. From Adagbo-Avomeme village, Enugwu-Ukwu, in Njikoka local government area, I am Ngozi Obileri for ABS News Plus.